Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing super well. So for today's look, we're doing a 1920s makeup, and I'm not going to ramble on, we're just going to get straight into it with the eyebrows. I know the 1920s did pluck their eyebrows quite a lot, which to be honest I don't really have much hair, as you can tell, but I'm just going to do my standard like normal brows that I would usually do. So taking a spoolie brush, we're just going to brush through. I do apologise, it has got like dried soap in it because I do a lot of soap brows and it is a pain to wash it out. But yeah, we're just going to brush through the brows with the spoolie brush. And using the NYX Tame and Fame and also the Revolution Pro dark brown eyebrow pencil, we're going to do our brows. So in the 1920s they did pull their eyebrows quite far down a bit, so I will be pulling them down a little bit longer than I would normally. Just taking the NYX Tame and Fame brow pomade, we'll start that now. Now to go in with the Revolution brow pencil. This colour is dark brown as well, if anyone needs to know. So now I would probably usually prime my eyes and use the P. Louise base, but I'm not going to today, so we're just going to go straight in with a black pencil liner. So we're just going to line the top lash line. Don't worry if it's not neat, because it is going to get blended out. Now just taking a fluffy blending brush, we're just going to blend all that black eyeliner out. Now I'm going to take the NYX Swear By It palette and use this dark grey acetone just in this corner and apply it all over the lid. The 1920s was a very daring age. Going back with the NYX Swear By It palette and use this lighter grey shade in the top corner, and that's going to be applied just on top right here. Then taking any form of beige / lighter shade, just blend out the harsh edges around the sides. Now going back in with an angled brush, we are just going to use that dark ashy shade that we used to start, just on the bottom lash line. And then blend that out as well. Now taking a white pencil eyeliner, we're just going to do our waterline. So now the eyes are complete, we are going to be putting on lashes. These lashes I got for £5, as you can tell in the top corner, from Primark. They are SOSU by Susan Jackson, and I got the style BELLE because they're quite natural looking and they don't pop too much, but I do like the dramatic lashes. But because this is a 1920s makeup, we're going to be using these. I also use duo glue to stick the lashes down, which is just a brush on adhesive, which it comes with a brush applicator that you just do on the lash line. So let's do a quick transition with the lashes on. So now the lashes are on, guys, we're going to now just put a generous helping of mascara just on the bottom lashes. And now it's time for the face. So the 1920s was a very pale era, and I'm not really that tan myself, so I'm going to be taking the Nars liquid foundation and a nice little beauty blender just to apply foundation all over my face. And now we are going to set all that down with the Rimmel Match Perfection translucent powder. And now it's time for blush, so I'm going to be using the BarryM Get Up and Glow. I'm going to be using this nice pink shade in the corner just to create circle motions on the cheeks around about here, because we don't do the blusher we all know today. So now it's time for the lips. So I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede in Cherry Skies. So I didn't actually fill all of my lips in, and I did take a small little brush and use the foundation just to go on the outside and neaten the bits up. But yeah, this is the 1920s look. Let's just get into a little bit of a sort of 1920s vibe, if I can find something, sort out the hair and put the piece together. So I've managed to throw on something a little bit flary and a little sort of headdress that I've just made from bits and pieces that I've just found. But yeah, this is my 1920s makeup. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. Please leave a like rating below and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you do follow any of my tutorials, please send me photos to any of my socials. That is Instagram, Facebook, I've got Twitter as well, but it is Paris Brown MUA on all of the socials. And I'll see you in the next video, guys, and hopefully it'll be more spooky and time for Halloween season. So love you and leave you. Bye.